In this example, we'll use FOIL to multiply the expression. So we have 2 plus 3 times the square root of 6 times 4 minus the square root of 11. And if we use FOIL, we can set it out as shown here. F stands for the first in each, so that's just simply going to be 2 times 4. The outside is going to be 2 and minus the root of 11. The inside is going to be 3, well, let's put a plus sign in front of that, plus, beg your pardon, 3 root 6 times 4, and the last in each is going to be plus 3 root 6 times minus the square root of 11. Okay, so let's do that. Now 2 4s are 8, just regular whole numbers there, so nothing strange. 2 by negative root 11. Well, a plus by a minus is minus, and it's a whole number 2, or a regular number 2 by a square root number, so you just put them together. So minus 2 root 11. Plus 3 root 6 by 4. So the signs here are going to be plus. The 3 and the 4 are regular numbers, so multiply those. That's 12. The square root of 6 doesn't have anything to multiply that one with, so just leave it as the square root of 6. And then finally, plus 3 root 6 by minus the square root of 11. So plus by minus is minus. 3 is the regular number. The regular number here is 1. So 3 times 1 are just 3. If you want to think about it either way. And then root 6 by root 11, well, they're both square roots. So root 66. And that leaves you with just putting all those together. 8 minus 2 times the square root of 11 plus 12 times the square root of 6 minus 3 times the square root of 66. And 6 and 11 certainly can't be simplified, and I don't think root 66 can either, so that's your answer. You can't combine that any more than we have done there. Okay, all the square root pieces are different, so we just leave it that way.